Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you don't need to cook your ground beef for a couple of hours, simply transfer it from the freezer to the fridge, and it will thaw in a few hours. You can thaw frozen ground beef in the fridge 1 to 2 days before cooking it, so if you're a planner, take it out of the freezer the day before you plan on cooking it.
Let's help you make your mark.
However, some foods cannot be cooked from frozen and must be thawed fully before use. This is often the case for large joints of meat or poultry where the food is unlikely to reach its essential core temperature during the cooking process. This increases the risk of harmful bacteria contaminating the food.
Let's help you make your mark.
Yes, it is perfectly safe to cook meats from frozen. Cooking time will be approximately 50% longer than the recommended time for fully thawed or fresh meat and poultry. For more information on thawing, visit the USDA website.
Make your mark, take our lead.
However, once thawed, these bacteria can become active again. Never thaw meat on the counter or let it sit out of the refrigerator for more than 2 hours. In the summer, reduce this time to 1 hour. Never defrost meat in hot water.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Can you cook frozen ground beef, meat, poultry, and pork? Yes, it is perfectly safe to cook meats from frozen. Cooking time will be approximately 50% longer than the recommended time for fully thawed or fresh meat and poultry.
Let's help you make your mark.
To defrost ground beef more rapidly, you can defrost in the microwave oven or in cold water. If using the microwave, cook the ground beef immediately because some areas may begin to cook during the defrosting. To defrost in cold water, put the meat in a watertight plastic bag and submerge.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Place frozen, seasoned patties onto the hot cast iron pan. Cook 3 to 5 minutes on each side, then flip. Continue flipping until a nice crust has formed, about 15 minutes. Remove from the pan and serve on your favorite bun.
Let's help you make your mark.
Bring the water up to a light simmer with the skillet covered. Covering the pan helps the steam quickly defrost your meat. As the water comes to a simmer and the meat is brown on the outside, scrape the brown, thawed exterior off and into the water to reveal the red, still frozen meat.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.